Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to be here. This is Button Up Niger TV, and with me today I'm bringing somebody who is so hardworking, a businesswoman that can turn your head gay to a valuable things. Sorry, you don't need to throw your head gay away, your ashoke, your hood Ankara, any of your native wear. You don't need to throw it away. Your anything, and his watchword is nothing is wasted. And before I go, I will quickly show us what the woman has done. And you can see this is a nika with ashoke. You can see, when I saw, I was just saying, how can somebody turn hold ashoke to this? We have envelope purse. She made this one by herself. You can see it. So I quickly need to show us what this woman has done. And this is shopping bag. You can see the inside. Don't throw your whole ashoke or gele away. And before we go on, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Press notification bell in case any of my video is coming out. Then make a comment there. So, Mr. Adenike, can we meet you?
Good day, everyone. My name is Mr. Adenike Olupa,
Okay, how long have you been into this business?
2016.
Oh, 2016. Wow,
Yes.
that's been a long time.
Yes.
I know you've made enough money. Oh, so creative, And you can see this gown with old ashoke. I saw it and I said, wow, old gele, old ashoke. You'll be so surprised. I have another one with me, a shopping bag, like small Ghana must go. You don't need to buy it outside. Don't throw the ashoke away. Old ashoke, old Ankara, don't throw them away. You will turn it to something better. Don't throw it away. You can see it. I have another one here. This is ashoke. You can hear the sound. And let me show us the inside of it. This is ashoke and gele. Then an Ankara. This is another one. This gele. So, Mr. Adenike, if someone wants to learn, what do you think the persons need to learn? The requirement to learn all these things, to put all these things in place.
If you want to learn it, let it. You will make ready of your old ashoke
Okay.
or airgill or your Ankara,
Okay.
your scissors,
Okay.
your tipu, your vector, and your chalk or pen.
Okay, let me add one more to it. You need your sewing
Your
machine.
sewing machine.
You can use your hand needle, but you will know what you will have done using hand needle, but sewing machine will be okay. So, what do you think? Somebody wants to learn from you, what do you think is, do you collect money, or you help people, or you teach people online or offline? What do you do?
You must pay money because I pay money to learn my own.
You can see,
Not
but I
learn
think
free.
it's not so much.
Yes.
So please, this is Mr. Anenike. Our number will be on my comment section. In case you have any comment, please make your comment. Or you want to ask her any question, please ask her. This is Button Off Niger. Once again, if not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, because if my next video is coming, you can easily able to get it. Share my video, then like it. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video. God bless you.